Hi, my name is Randy Lee and I've been around ropes and knots my entire life. My father owned a trucking and rigging company and I've been tying knots since I was about 8. I've had a career as a professional tree surgeon for the last 40 years, so my life literally depends on understanding how ropes work and tying knots properly. I'm offering, for the one-time cost of $1, the best rope and knot tying video available. I've watched the others and I can tell you that there's no single video out there that's going to teach you all the skills you need to know. This is not a subscription. Once you purchase my video, you own it for life. I've indicated a timeline stamp for each knot, so when you're ready to practice a particular knot, you can get to it quickly. I'm going to show you how to tie the 5 most useful knots, and probably the only knots most people will ever need to know. The bowline, the running bowline, the Dutchman, 2 half hitches, and the clove hitch. I'm going to show you how to build muscle memory so you can practice and correctly learn those knots. I'll show you what a simple machine is and how it creates a mechanical advantage, and I'll show you how to make a simple machine using only a rope. I'll teach you how to use your newly learned skills for practical applications like these. You can use the running bowline, the Dutchman, and 2 half hitches to tie something down or to simulate a winch. You can use the clove hitch, the bowline, and 2 half hitches to tie odd-shaped objects together or to build a lean-to. The clove hitch can also be used to make an old tattered tarp useful again. The Dutchman can be used to simulate a pulley. Once you learn all 5 knots, you'll be able to do quick repairs on things you never thought possible. These are just a few examples of all the things you can do with ropes. Once you're comfortable tying the knots, you'll find lots of opportunities to use them, and you'll see that these knots untie quickly and easily. I'll show you how to coil up your ropes so you can keep them neat and organized and ready for your next project. So when you're ready to get serious and learn some great skills that you can take with you for the rest of your life, come back here, click the link, spend $1, and I guarantee you it'll be the best dollar you ever spent.